Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to CYNTHIA ELEWUWA TV. How are you guys doing? I hope everyone is in good health. Thank you all for stopping by today. And on today's video guys, this is the look I was able to create. I hope you guys find this video interesting. I hope you like it. Without wasting so much of your time, I'm gonna go ahead and start immediately. See you over there. So guys, I'm gonna start off with my Lancome foundation. This is the 10th Idol Ultra Wear foundation, and I'm gonna shake it. Put it right here, just 2 pumps. Then I'm gonna go ahead and just put it over here. So guys, just like I did on my previous video, I went ahead to do my foundation, contour and apply my concealer at the same time. Yeah, you all know the technique I used on my last video, and I used my Stila Cosmetics for my contour, and now I'm using my ELEWUWA Pro Cosmetics in the shade Toffee for my concealer. So I just went ahead to highlight my under eyes and my chin, you know, all the highlightables. And now I'm using my foundation brush to start blending out the foundation. But yeah, it was already dry because it's a matte foundation, and I'm just spraying on the brush. So now I'm blending out the contour using a different brush. And I went ahead to apply some concealer on my nose bridge, just to, you know, add some light to my nose. And then I went ahead to use a concealer brush to blend out that concealer. Snatched, as you can see. So after blending, I went ahead to use my Mod Makeup Disney loose powder in the shade Desert and my powder brush to just set my whole face, you know. Now using a beauty blender, I'm gonna go ahead to bake my under eyes. And I went ahead and highlighted the bridge of my nose as well, and my forehead. Now I'll go ahead and do my brows. I will define my brows using this brow pencil. I'll be filling up my brows with my Bollywood dark brown brush on brow. It's like this. I'll be cleaning up my brows with my ELEWUWA Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. So I'm just gonna press a little and just start cleaning up my brows. I'll be setting my contour in the shade Sombre. I'll be bronzing using my Black Up two-way cake. Guys, today I'll be using my Jaclyn Hill palette. Yeah, I'll be starting off with a transitional shade and I'll be going in with Comfort Zone. Now using a smaller brush, I'll be going in with Homeboy, and I'm gonna start off like this. Ooh, see that? I'm gonna try to create my own crease. Guys, now I'll be going in with G Money and Living My Best, this red shade. So I'm taking the two together and I'm gonna go in like this. I just want to make that crease a bit darker. I want to continue to make the crease that I created a bit darker, so I'm just gonna slowly build it in. Now the next shade I'm gonna go in is with the black shade, which is Tempress. I'm gonna take a little and I'm gonna start, I'm gonna continue building that crease that I created. I'll just slowly start from the outer corner of my eyes and then I'll gradually move in, because this is black. You gotta be careful. Guys, now I'll be going in with Feeling Myself, which is this shade, this orange shade, and I'm gonna take a little because I'm feeling myself, I'm feeling myself. And I'm gonna start right here. I'll be placing Feeling Myself just right on my brow bone. I'm feeling myself, Okay, guys, I'll be using my Maybelline Pure Mineral Concealer. Yeah, and I'll just use it to, I'm gonna take a little product, just a very little product, because I don't need much. I want to use it to just, as you can see, this eyes is clean, so I want to use it to create a clean canvas, for the next eyeshadow I'm gonna apply. So what I'm gonna do is just dab it on my eyes like this. So I took a very little product because I'm not trying to cut a crease. I'm just trying to smudge it out and create a clean canvas for the next shade I'm gonna be applying, because I want it to pop. So guys, I'm gonna be setting this concealer that I used to smudge out the canvas with Grateful, this shade, and I'll apply it just all over my lid. Now I'll be taking these two shades, Hard On and Living My Best, this and this, and I'm gonna start applying it right here, just at the outer corner of my eyes. So guys, using the same brush right beside Heart On and Living My Best, I'm gonna be putting my man beside Heart On and Living My Best. And now guys, I'm gonna be putting Feeling Myself, which is this bubbly orange right here. I'll be putting it right at the inner corner of my eyes, just right here. So guys, using an eyeliner, I'm gonna go ahead and line my lid. That's what I'm using today. So I'll be using my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara to define my lashes. So guys, now for my under eyes, I'll be going in with Heart On and Living My Best, these two red shades. So guys, now I'll be using Feeling Myself, which is this. I'm gonna be using it to blend out the two red shades that I've already put under my eyes. I'm just gonna start. So now I'll also take this dark shade, which is Tempest, and I'm gonna use it to smoke out the outer corner of my eyes. So I'm gonna use it to smoke it out and join it to the, to my upper eyes. Guys, for my waterline, I'll be using this brown eye pencil. I'm gonna use it to just line my waterline. So guys, now I'll be using my Urban Decay Perversion mascara to define my lower lashes. So guys, I'll be highlighting using my Becca Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Rose Gold. So I went ahead and did my lashes off camera, so no need to waste your time. And now I'm gonna be applying my blush using my favorite blush from Pharmacy. Yes, just like so. So guys, for my inner corners, I'll be applying this yellow shade, which is No Joke, on my corner. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply this Flawed and Out, this shade right on top of the yellow shade. For my lips guys, I'll be using this crayon pencil. I'm gonna use it to outline my lips. Now I'll be using my Huda Beauty Nude lipstick in the shade Board Meeting. So guys, now I'll be finishing up this look using my Caramel's setting spray, and I'm just gonna go ahead and spray That was refreshing. So guys, how has it been over where you guys are? Wherever you are, how is it going with you guys? I mean, this case of coronavirus is alarming, and where I am, which is Malaysia, it's been locked down for 3 days now. Everywhere is on lockdown, no movement. 3 days ago, everyone had to go and do some grocery shopping and other shopping, and for the things that they might need during this lockdown period. So since that time, there has been no movement. Everyone has been indoors. The kids, they've not been going to school. The parents are now the ones helping them with tons and tons of homeworks and school works and all, and they have exam in 2 weeks time. Man, the whole thing is just, but this is a phase we all are gonna pass. It has already come, and the next thing that will happen is for it to go. So while we wait for it to go, let's all be very careful out there and be safe. Okay guys, all right, now this is the end of our look. This is the end. This is the result. This is the outcome. Ooh. Yes, we've come to the end of this video, and this is what we were able to create. I hope you guys find this video interesting, and I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I did. Please, if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, don't forget to share my videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, yeah, if you find my videos interesting, just hit that subscribe button. Let's all be rolling together. Until then, I will see you guys on my next video, or you can still check out my videos. Okay, check this one out, all these videos right here. I will also see you there. You can also decide to check this one out. Anyone you want to check out, I will be there with you. Okay guys, thank you so much, and have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye.